How to fix login error in Rakuten application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a better internet connection. And if you're still facing any problems with the login, simply go to your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and you want to navigate yourself to the Rakuten application. Click on Show All, and here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and click on Reinstall App. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you're still having any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.